1 minute. They were 0-4 last week. They've lost 8 of 10. Their last 13 games have been decided by 9 points or less. Karl Anthony Towns is a fine three-point shooting big man. 42% behind the three-point line. DiVincenzo hits his.
Nice job. Dante comes down, finds the opening. Understand, cleaning the glass. Sight by Ben Falk. Got like too many numbers to deal with. Nice job as Giannis does a great job getting these young guys moving and then burying that shoulder into them and knocking them off balance.
Karl Anthony Towns finds Anthony Edwards for 3.
Around this league.
DiVincenzo, a 3 and a drive to the rim. Karl Anthony Towns right through the bottom for 3.
45% from non-corner threes, which that was one of. That was of the deep 3 variety.
Augustine touch to score.
A game-winning, game-tying shot at the rim because of the presence of Jaden McDaniels at 6'10".
Karl Anthony Towns over Lopez. Middleton working against Edwards. Steps back on the rookie. Ball tapped out. Rubio has it. DJ Augustine will stay with him as much as he can.
Showing the ability to knock down contested threes, tough threes, fadeaway threes. Gonna let him set his feet like that. He's gonna burn you at least 40 to 50% of the time.
Malik Beasley. Empty trip for Edwards.
Well, his problem, he's got to dunk everything.
Very deep 3. Pat Connaughton. He was on the 0 in forum. Well behind the three-point line.
And as athletic as Anthony Edwards is, his field goal percentage at the rim just 49%, which is like the 11th percentile. Almost bottom 10 in the league at finishing at the rim. It's hard to believe with the way he jumps through the roof.
Giannis wanted Lopez, and on this end, it's Beasley again.
Tremendous energy at both ends of the floor. Offensive rebounds, multiple efforts defensively. Oops! Oh, yeah, okay. Well, that's that young man, Jaden McDaniels. Got him on the first one. Yes, indeed. Who's that valid for an offensive rebound? The nasty boy.
Karl Anthony Towns, he's worked from the outside. Anthony Towns and Russell have only played in 5 games together in the 45 games since Russell came to Minnesota. Use of time there. Portis got to the rim rather easily.
Well, Nas Reed.
And then he was stuffed.
Nas Reed got there with it. The only problem.
That's a big body right there, Nas Reed.
Nice job, Chris. Beautiful read.
Perfect timing. DiVincenzo, Portis. Oh, that is a fast break.
A lot of Washington when they were all in school together. But this young man, I've heard a lot from people in Seattle about him. Dante pulling up. Nice job.
Beasley has 14 points, 4 of 5 on 3s. Bobby Portis able to triple.
Needs to hurt that elbow all the time.
Man.
Middleton should get a wide open jumper right here. Here it is.
Good ball. And he hits it.
You can tell how the defender played in that kind of run through. I'm trying to be funny. I guess I wasn't successful.
No, you're funny. And your timing is superb.
Oh.
Karl Anthony Towns.
He was, just in a low key, you know what I mean? You never would. You
wouldn't think it by looking at it.
You wouldn't think it by looking at it. Oh.
Malik Beasley.
Hey, Coach, I didn't know I was on the floor for 28 minutes. He's like, Marcus, you weren't the only one who didn't know you were on the floor for 28 minutes. It's like, man. That's really, it's terrible, but we laugh.
Able to get to it. He's moving so fast he can get the most everything that he fouls. Oh, look at that move. Unbelievable. Antetokounmpo at the rim for 11 points.
This is a diminutive lineup.
With great defensive hands. Giannis on the bus now.
52% from the three-point line. We talked about an infusion of confidence and just this whole thing of just breathing and sigh of relief. Change. It's a shootout.
I think so. I mean, he's an offensive guy, and he knows what's happening in the league. Teams are just doubling down and just teams with the best record. DJ Augustine picked up his first foul a moment ago.
You had Robert Covington playing the 4. You had James Johnson playing the 5.
Giannis has been getting to the rim with authority tonight. 17 points, 6 of 10 shooting.
Disappointed that David Vanderpool, the assistant, African-American assistant, didn't get promoted. But it is.
From a that spins out of the combo. 19 points. Higher would likely be, and it was just a quick response. Chris Finch. And of course, Ryan Saunders was kept by Glenn Taylor, the owner.
Better defense or players cool off from shooting the basketball.
Giannis has been living in the paint, 21 points. And now who knows what it is. It's freshman. It seems.
Dante. Wow. Passes that might have been effective in college, not happening here.
Giannis. 24 points. He needs 2 more to tie Bob Dandridge and 3 to move into 4th. Giannis out of the combo, and he has matched Bob Dandridge for 5th on the all-time scoring list. He's at 851 coming in tonight, and he has added 26. All 5 Buck starters, 10 or more. 4 with 10, Giannis with 26. Edwards hits.
Is he looking a lot more spry, bouncy?
Giannis and 1. Malik Beasley. 5 for 7 on 3. Giannis. Yes, sir. He had not made one.
Brand was 7th in the league in 3-point field goal percentage. Bobby Portis tied for 2nd coming in. Should expand that all-star team, gentlemen. We got 15-man rosters, have a 15-man all-star team.
I agree with you. DiVincenzo for 3. Portis battling. Check this out. Bryn Forbes.
Career he has had, especially with the last 3 or 4 years.
Bobby Portis with a nice touch.
Portis goes to the left inside. Really played well. Really doing some good things at the defensive end of the floor also.
DiVincenzo hustles. The Bucks swing it. Portis straight. Yes.
Bobby gets buckets. Call him the culture magnet because of how hard he plays.
Bryn Forbes rolling on. Just kissed the rim to reset to 24. Good save by Forbes. Thanasis back to Forbes. And he has a season high 21. Lopez can't score at point-blank range. Karl Anthony Towns was in his way.
There's a Sam Merrill sighting inside.
Kicks it out. Hernan Gomez missed from distance. Here's Rubio for 3. Ricky Rubio.
We're still doing his thing out here. Sam Merrill on the floor. Jonathan Dante about to check back in. Yeah, right. And that's the question. Can you play defense on this level?
And do you have the speed and quickness? Karl Anthony Towns. The Bucks have won the last 4 against Minnesota. They have never beaten the Timberwolves 5 straight times. 37. Sam Merrill. Yes. Wow. That's a good-looking shot.
Competition coming in. This is a good place for this team to be. The way Giannis is playing, the way Chris is feeling, and the way the role players are contributing and feeling a lot of confidence. Defense is picked up.